Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Afsisterwig. Inside the package, I received the wig that I'll be installing, an edge brush, a clip, some hairpins, and a wig cap. The wig that I received is a 13 by 6, 22 inch, 180% density, color 2 frontal wig. As you guys can see, the knots on this wig are super small and the lace is very thin, so I didn't do any plucking to the wig. All I did was hot comb it in place for the install. For this install, my client decided to do a middle part. We'll also be doing a bob, so further on in the video you'll be seeing how I cut it. The first thing that I do is place a dotted line across my client's hairline so I can know exactly where to place the glue. For each install, I use 3 thin layers of glue across my client's hairline. Continue watching to see how I cut and melt the lace. After I'm finished cutting off all the lace that needs to be cut off, I then use the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion. The makeup that I'm using for this is Ruby Kiss number 15. I use it and place it on top of the lace so that the cap won't be visible and the lace blends better with my client's skin complexion. After applying all the makeup that is needed, I use the melting spray and place an elastic band on top. Whenever I'm cutting a bob, I always cut about 2 to 3 tracks at a time. So right here I have about 3 tracks down and I'm just cutting straight across with some regular hair scissors. Whenever I'm finished cutting a row, I use the flat iron and give it a little bump so that I don't have to go over it again once I get to the top of the wig. Continue watching to see how I cut the rest of the wig into a bob. These are the results of the wig after it's been cut into a bob. Before hot combing the hair, I place some bio silk on the hairline and on top of the wig so it can be sleek and in place. After hot combing and making everything neat and in place, I used my angled brush and the same makeup to outline the parts so it can look sharp and neat. And this is the final look of how the install came out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.